So, got the K&N Typhoon, and I just want to make a little video for you guys, during the setup and installation. So it's pretty straightforward. Honestly, I didn't even follow the directions of removing the stock airbox because it was that simple. All I used for the instructions was for the assembly of the actual intake itself. It's very self-explanatory. There are 4 clips right here, which I broke 3 of them, so be careful. And then your scoop or your snorkel comes right out. Super simple. Then I took off the top of the airbox, and removing the bottom airbox was super easy. There are 2 bolts right here and right here. You're gonna own both those 10mm. And then on the ECU harness right here, if you guys see it, right back there, there are 2 little clips. I don't even know if you can get down in there, but I mean, you can get in there, but I don't know if you can see. There's 2 little clips here. You push them back towards the battery that way. Then you pull up on the harness, or else your bottom will not come out, or it'll be very, very tight. So once you get that out, reinstall the harness because you're not going to need it for this. You don't need it. And then there is a bushing back here, which I believe lines up on this hole right here. So as you can see, it sat in there like that. So that back bolt, or it was just a bushing. So when you're prying it out, you're gonna want to pry forward. Don't try, you can try and wiggle it around, get some movement on it, but you want to pull it up and forward. And that's pretty much it. It's simple. Like, honestly, I think it took me 20 minutes to assemble the actual intake itself, and removal took me 10 minutes. So it's simple. I'm excited to see how it actually sounds, and tomorrow morning when I go to work, I'm gonna see if I can hear that nice turbo spool. Hopefully that helps y'all out.